Hey everyone, today we are in Laugarvatn, Iceland. It's a geothermal hotspot where the ground is so hot that locals can actually cook bread in the soil. It's all thanks to the volcanic heat beneath the surface. We booked a short tour to check out how they do that. The weather is a little bit miserable today, but that is absolutely normal for Iceland.
It's over Fontana. They use this water in the past to bath people. People can put water like me and they use this water. You know the famous church culinary? Yeah.
It takes approximately 24 hours for the bread to cook. So what you see now is digging up the loaf that was buried yesterday.
Yeah, you can see here inside the bubbles, the boiling water. You can... Oh, wow. Yeah, it's crazy. This is because the lava hits the water underground.
Not gonna be ready.
If it's wrong, we have emergency bread because sometimes it's a little bit raw on the top, sometimes it's overcooked.
Yeah.
I remember one day I took one completely black, and it was my first time, and, and all the people is looking at you. Oh my God! We have emergency bread.
Are you ready?
But today, I think
It didn't cook?
it's a chocolate cake.
Oh, that's excellent. It's even better.
Really? What do you prefer? Chocolate cake or white bread?
Oh yeah, that looks
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, look at this.
Oh, wow.
That looks
Yeah.
good,
Today is perfect. I'm so happy.
That's so good.
You can smell the bread. It's not a chocolate cake, but
my God.
it's delicious.
Oh
I
my
promise you.
God, that's so good.
2, 1, voila. That's cake. Yeah, today is perfect. It's like a perfect carrot cake. Okay, you can see the steam. This is a smoked trout from this lake. It's really good with the bread. It's like a smoked salmon, but it's softer. It's very, very good. Put one piece like this on the top. For me, it's too much, but I have inside more butter if you want more butter, so I prefer a little bit. They love the butter. And then a smoked trout on the top. And this is ready. Oh, thank you very much. You can take by yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming and enjoy the bread here. Thank you very much.
The bread was really delicious. Subscribe for more interesting videos.